Hi everyone! Want to add a powerful AI chatbot or content generator to your website or app? Here's how to integrate Minimax IO fast and easy. So let's get started. First, go to Minimax IO official website, then create an account or log in. Then here you can navigate to the developer console or API dashboard. Copy your API key and you'll need this for integration. And to understand the API structure, the Minimax provides a REST API for natural language processing task. Then, after that, you can integrate with your website or app. Simple JavaScript node example, and this can also be added to your backend or integrate into our React, Vue, HTML, front end, and chatbot UI. Then test and deploy. Test various prompts and outputs. Adjust the UI or to display the generated response clearly. Then deploy your site or app, and you're live. And want to custom AI chatbot? You can also use Minimax Character Lab to define behavior and tone, then integrate via the same API. And that's it. You've integrated a Minimax with your website or app. Now your users can experience real AI power. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.